Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week. All right, let's get into it. And here we are at the random number generator. Minimum 0, maximum 383. Let's hit generate. Number 171. All right, let's check that out. Well, I checked, and preset number 171 is U-Vibe and Rotary on all three units. There are only some minor differences. The Axe-Fx III version and the FM9 version appear to be exactly the same. Scene 1 on the FM3 has the delay block activated, while the other two units have the delay block bypassed. Also, the FM3 has one more scene than the Axe-Fx III and FM9 versions. Scene 4, Rotomundu. So let's take a brief look under the hood. Since the FM3 version has an extra scene, we'll go with the FM3 this time around. The FM3 version has 4 scenes: all effects, uni only, roto only, and the aforementioned Rotomundu. Now besides the in and the out blocks, this preset uses 10 blocks: comp, wah, drive, phaser, amp, cab, chorus, delay, rotary, and reverb. You know, humbuckers work just fine with this preset, but I really think it calls out for single coils. Let's listen. Now this Friday, we're going to be looking at the gate expander block by special suggestion. Now you don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.